If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2017 Jeep Compass Sport in Spitfire Orange. With halogen quad headlamps, black daylight opening moldings, 16-inch silver painted aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, incandescent tail lamps, deep tinted sunscreen glass, manual 6-way driver and passenger seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 17,000 miles on the odometer. Uconnect 3 with 5-inch display, rear backup camera, Bluetooth streaming audio, second row USB port, rear 60/40 folding seats, speed sensitive power locks, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5033A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.